Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I am going to troubleshoot my brand new freaking Bitmain Antminer S21. After a couple days of mining, it has already stopped. So whether or not this is just because of a fan, I hope to God it's just because of a fan. Apparently it says fan 1 is not detected, its speed is low, fan error. And then it says repair suggestion. Check whether the fan 1 connection is normal. Replace the power supply or replace the fan. I definitely don't want to replace the power supply. The fan will be easy enough. There's a second error. It says pretty much the exact same thing. Here is the timestamp. I just turned it on and off and reset it, and same error. It's providing the same error. Okay, and if we check the miner log as well, if I scroll to the very bottom, you can see that it says sweep error string F11. Okay, it says fan control only find 3 out of the 4. So it looks like could be F1 that is not working. Okay, it says fan error, fan lost. So I hope to God that it's just a fan issue and not a power supply issue. So I am going to take this apart. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me here, and I wonder which fan it's going to be. Let's see if, yeah, it looks like, I think this fan is not moving, but this one is. Okay, so it might be this one. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna look for F1, and then we'll just see. We'll just see what that is in the control board. So let's go ahead, take this thing apart, and replace the fan, and we'll do that right after a word from our sponsor.
You know quantum computers. You know blockchain. But do you know both together? Dynex was the first platform to create a neuromorphic supercomputing blockchain-based algorithm which solves real-world problems. And the best part? Anyone can post a job, whether a company from the Global 2000, a machine learning job, or fintech and pharmaceutical. And if you don't want to program it yourself, get an expert directly at the marketplace. Run the job and be impressed by the fast result.
Okay, gonna turn this off. Just gonna unplug the Ethernet. It hasn't been drawing much power anyway. It says 20 watts right now. Fault lights. Just gonna unplug the cable from the PDU. And this should hopefully turn off. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna unplug this new P13 to C20 cable, and that looks, yeah, pretty easy. There's a clip here. 2 clips to pull this out, so yeah, there's the new connector in case you guys have not seen it. Okay, now let's go ahead. Going to unscrew the top. Okay, so this is where I want to see, I guess, J1, J0, J2, J3, the fan plugs, which actually I think it's, I have the log right up here. It says J1, J2, J3, and J4. So that should be J1. If that's corresponding to fan 1, that's the one I need to take out. Okay, so I took out one of the little screws behind here, and yeah, so now you should be able to see this whole setup. I'll bring you guys closer. Okay, already see a huge issue. So this Bitmain S21 has these new style square fan plugs. Okay, apparently these are, I haven't read like the official statement on these, but I'm assuming it's pretty much to handle more throughput, more voltage through these cables, essentially, more amps, I guess, for powering these fans. So how this limits me right now is I don't have any spare fans with these new square style plugs. I have normally these 4-pin, okay, four 4-pin fan plugs. Typical Bitmain fans, you know, the Martech 2.7 amp fans here. Okay, these are the ones that normally usually put in like on my S19s, but actually more so recently, I know like I think the WhatsMiner M60S and S19K Pros are utilizing these new square style fan plugs. Okay, so my WhatsMiner M60S, this is a 140 mil fan, and it utilizes one of these new square fan plugs as well, and there's actually one on the back right here as well. So yeah, that's a new fan style plug. Now I have a S19K Pro. I think this utilizes 2 or 4 of the square plugs. Let me open up the top. Okay, let's see. This has the Martech fans as well. Okay, so let me just take off the top cover here. That looks like a deadly spider. Oh. Okay, this S19K Pro, this is a 115 terahash model, and this one has the 2 square fan plugs, and then the normal 2 fan plugs there. So I guess the 2 front ones are going to be the square, and the 2 back ones are going to be for those normal 4-pin. All right, so that's interesting. You know what? I just thought of something. I could, essentially take out the fan from here and use this for my S21. Yeah? You know what? I'll just wait. Alright, so where can I get replacement fans if I can't use these? Actually, I think you can also get adapters. Okay, so the square, adapters for these. So it would be basically the 4-pin to a square adapter, which I believe altertech.io sells, and they also do sell the square fans as well on their website. So actually, link down below if anyone's interested or is looking for those parts. So I myself, I'm gonna place an order on altertech.io for probably 4 new fans, and you know what? Maybe I'll try those 4-pin to square adapters as well. Maybe that might be a thing, but just good to have spares, I guess. And yeah, all right. So I guess with the Bitmain S21, not only do they have the new power plug edition, right? They're also adding on or replacing the normal 4-pin with these new square plugs for more powerful fans, more wattage throughput rather than these. So I'm guessing the new requirements for like the S21 or higher, or WhatsMiners, are now all moving towards these new 4-pin square connectors. Okay, so well, that's a fail. I can't fix this in this video now because I simply didn't have another fan to replace. Granted, like I said, I could have taken one from my S19K, but I don't want to do all that. That thing works just fine. I have it unplugged right now because I'm getting ready to move a lot of my ASICs to a hosting provider. I'll let you guys know when I do that video, but I'm going to be moving all those ASICs you guys saw earlier for hosting. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys, well, that's, I'm going to be, I guess, held up for, I don't know, who knows how long, probably a week or 2 weeks maybe until I can get a new fan. And hope to God that it's just a fan issue according to the warning, or according to the web GUI, which is nice. You can see the error message there. But hopefully I don't have to replace the power supply or anything like that, God forbid. But okay, all right, my friends, that's it. That's all I want to do in this video. And let me know what you guys think about new S21 and my fan potentially dying. Potentially it's the fan PSU, who knows? We'll know in a week or 2. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.